Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about legal paths to green cards for undocumented individuals in the U.S. Navigating the path to obtaining a green card in the United States can be complex, especially for individuals without documentation despite the challenges. There are several avenues available that can lead to lawful permanent residency. Understanding these options and their requirements is crucial for those seeking to establish long-term legal status in the country. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Legal paths to green cards for undocumented individuals in the U.S. Navigating the complex terrain of U.S. immigration law, particularly for undocumented individuals seeking lawful permanent residency, can seem daunting. Often, individuals believe there are no options once they fall out of legal status. However, contrary to popular belief, there are several legal pathways available for undocumented immigrants to obtain a green card in the United States. These pathways, though limited and specific in their requirements, offer hope and opportunity for those willing to pursue them diligently. 1U visa, providing relief for victims of crime. One significant avenue for undocumented individuals who have been victims of crimes in the United States is the U visa. This visa is designed to protect victims of certain crimes who have suffered mental or physical abuse and is helpful to law enforcement in the investigation or prosecution of criminal activity. To apply for a UA visa, individuals must obtain a certification, Form I-918, Supplement B, from law enforcement confirming their cooperation. This certification is crucial as it demonstrates the victim's helpfulness in the investigation. Once approved, the UA visa allows individuals to adjust their status to lawful permanent residency. Regardless of their previous immigration status, this pathway not only offers protection and stability, but also recognizes the contributions of victims who assist in the pursuit of justice. 2. Temporary protected status, a recent opportunity. Temporary protected status provides a lifeline to individuals from designated countries facing ongoing armed conflict, environmental disaster, or other extraordinary conditions. Recent expansions in TP's eligibility have widened the scope of this program, offering more undocumented individuals the chance to obtain legal status. One significant benefit of TPS is the opportunity to obtain advance parole, which allows individuals to travel abroad and re-enter the United States legally. This newfound legal entry can pave the way for adjusting status to lawful permanent residency, providing a pathway that was previously inaccessible to many. 3. Violence Against Women Act, protection and relief from abuse. The Violence Against Women Act provides protections and legal remedies for victims of domestic violence, regardless of gender under VAWA. Eligible individuals who have been subjected to battery or extreme cruelty by a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse or parent can self-petition for lawful permanent residency, Form I-360. Successful petitioners under VAWA can adjust their status to lawful permanent residency, offering a path forward for those who have endured abuse and are seeking independence and security in the United States. 4. 245I provision, overcoming barriers with a penalty. The 245I provision of the Immigration and Nationality Act allows certain individuals who entered the United States without inspection or otherwise violated their status to adjust their status to lawful permanent residency by paying a penalty fee. To qualify under 245I, individuals must have had a visa petition, Form I-130, I-140, or I-360, filed on their behalf on or before April 30, 2001, and must meet all other eligibility criteria. This provision is particularly valuable for those who have family members willing to sponsor them or who have an employer willing to petition for them, despite their previous immigration violations. 5. Quillantan entry, recognizing unlawful but unchallenged entries. Quillantan entry refers to a legal doctrine stemming from a specific court case that recognizes certain entries into the United States as legal, even if they were initially unlawful. This doctrine applies to individuals who were waived through immigration without proper inspection, often due to errors or oversights by border officials. Under Quillantan entry, individuals can seek to adjust their status to lawful permanent residency, provided they can demonstrate the circumstances of their entry and meet all other legal requirements. 6. Registry, long-standing residence as a pathway. Registry, established under Section 249 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, offers a pathway to lawful permanent residency for individuals who have continuously resided in the United States since a specified date, January 1, 1972. This provision aims to recognize long-standing residence and contributions to the United States, regardless of initial entry status. While the eligibility date for the registry is currently fixed, discussions within Congress may extend this date to include more recent long-term residents who have established roots in the United States. Conclusion: each of these pathways represents a critical opportunity for undocumented individuals in the United States to secure lawful permanent residency and build a future with legal protections and opportunities. While navigating these pathways can be complex and challenging, understanding the options available is the first step toward achieving legal status. Individuals need to seek qualified legal advice and assistance to assess their eligibility, gather necessary documentation, and navigate the application processes effectively. By leveraging these legal avenues, undocumented individuals can move closer to integrating fully into American society, contributing meaningfully to their communities, and securing their futures in the United States. While the process of obtaining a green card without documentation is fraught with challenges, it is not impossible. Each of these pathways requires careful consideration of eligibility criteria, legal procedures, and potential risks. By staying informed and seeking appropriate legal counsel, undocumented individuals can navigate these options with greater clarity and confidence toward achieving lawful, permanent residency in the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about legal paths to green card for undocumented individuals in the US. Securing a green card in the US as an undocumented individual involves navigating several legal pathways tailored to specific circumstances and eligibility criteria. These pathways offer hope and opportunity despite initial challenges. The U visa is crucial for victims of crimes who cooperate with law enforcement. By obtaining a certification of helpfulness, victims can apply for a U visa and subsequently adjust their status regardless of prior immigration status. This pathway not only provides legal protection but also acknowledges the contributions of those aiding law enforcement. Temporary protected status provides relief to individuals from designated countries facing extraordinary conditions. Recent expansions allow TPS holders to obtain advanced parole, facilitating legal travel and reentry. This legal status opens avenues for adjusting to lawful permanent residency, offering stability previously inaccessible to many. Under the Violence Against Women Act, victims of domestic violence by US citizens or lawful permanent resident family members can self-petition for a green card. Successful VAWA petitioners can adjust their status based on documented abuse, providing a pathway to safety and independence. The 245I provision allows individuals who entered unlawfully or violated their status to pay a penalty fee and adjust their status if a qualifying visa petition was filed before April 30, 2001. This option is beneficial for those with family or employer sponsorship willing to navigate the legal requirements. Undocumented entry recognizes certain entries as legal despite initial unlawful status based on specific court precedents. This pathway enables individuals to adjust their status under established legal principles. The registry provision offers a pathway to lawful permanent residency for individuals continually residing in the US since January 1, 1972. Discussions in Congress may extend this date to include more recent long-term residents. Navigating these pathways requires understanding eligibility, gathering documentation, and complying with legal procedures. Seeking qualified legal assistance is crucial to effectively pursue these opportunities and ensure compliance with immigration laws. By leveraging these options, undocumented individuals can secure their futures in the US, contribute positively to society, and achieve long-term stability.